So I don't know if you can see it. Let me adjust the camera a little bit better. Seen a lot of really good builds on YouTube. I feel like mine's just kind of like inferior, but I kind of wanted to share it, maybe get some ideas going. Got some issues in there I'm going to have to resolve. Probably going to have to print another ball because this one here is not. I think my center is too high. I'm going to have to move it down about 30 or 40,000. That's the only problem with doing something like this. You can do it CAD all day long, but until you build it, you don't never know where it's going to come out at. So that's where we're at right now. I'll bring you back once I got it together, but you can see how this is going in. I'm going to cut the pins before we come back to keep this aligned, and then this will be all sandwiched together. I want to get this piece all done before I cut the body. I brought the stuff back from the scrapyard yesterday to cut the body, to put this up inside, but kind of looking forward to getting it working. There's so many other things I'd like to do with this once it's finished. There we go. We'll have our springs in there. And the springs will be the contact points for the probe. So we'll come back there, and once we've got it in there, we'll bring you back.